Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great. I'm doing great. Tonight, it's a night time here. So hold on.
Yeah.
Let me put my flash on here so that you can see me. Yeah, the two flash here.
Oh, wow. Extra bright tonight.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Oh my God.
Yeah, you look very happy. That's good.
Oh, yeah. Do you see me now clearly?
Yeah, I can see you, man. You're all good.
Yeah, well, so how are you doing? How was your Christmas?
Yeah, my Christmas was great. How was your Christmas? Very relaxing.
Yeah, well, I'm a Muslim, but I appreciate to each and everyone who celebrate the Christmas because I love all religion.
Ah, yes.
Yeah, I love all.
Yeah, I know. Muslims don't celebrate Christmas. You guys don't celebrate that holiday. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. What was the special things that you did on this celebration, Christmas?
We just ate food and spent time with the family and stuff. That sort of thing. Just normal stuff.
Pretty cool. That I think you are very, very relevant to your family. You love to spend the time with the family.
It's very normal for everyone to do that at Christmas. Yeah.
That's
that
nice.
Time of the year.
That's nice.
Your English is very good. Good job.
Yeah, thank you. You know what?
You can hold a conversation very well.
Because I really speak with different communities every single day. It is my biggest challenge to improve my English speaking skills.
Right.
Yeah.
And why are you wanting to improve your English? What is it about the English language that...
Well, that's a very good question. I love to get the question from the foreigner and from the guest because it will help me to really the listening skills, to boost up my listening skills. Anyway, you asked me why do I want to boost up my English speaking skills? The main reason is I want to be an international blogger and I'm a YouTuber here in Bangladesh. I'm quite famous, not only Bangladesh, Pakistan, India and some other countries. People loves me.
Wow. How many followers do you have?
So what do you...
Just a celebrity?
For sure. I have 1,42,000 from Facebook page. 1,42,000 from Facebook page and YouTube channel where I have 32k subscriber. 32,000.
32,000 subscribers on YouTube.
Yeah, for sure.
Wow.
Right.
You've done well. You've done well.
Yeah.
I remember when I made a YouTube account and I thought I was going to be a famous YouTuber and then I got 10 subscribers and I got really happy about hitting 10 subscribers.
Okay.
But that's when I was a kid, I was very young.
Yeah, here we go. Listen, here we go. Listen. I really use this kind of conversation. If you allow me to share this content to my YouTube and Facebook, I will add your Facebook and YouTube channel link through my video comment. You will get a bunch of friends from Bangladesh to your channel. So are you allowing me to share?
It's okay.
No.
I appreciate it. I really do. But I like to stay I'm a very private person now. That's when I was young. I wanted to be all out there and all that. But now I'm just a private person now.
Oh, for sure. Right now, you're YouTubing?
No. I just come on here. I like coming on here and talking to new people and stuff like that. Just chilling.
That's cool, but
I'm not about followers or being famous. I just like to get to know people.
Oh, I guess you are an introverted person?
Sometimes, but not really. I just like to get to know someone. I would rather get to know someone than post my face everywhere and yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's not my vibe.
Yeah, I understand.
But hey, I actually, what you do is great. I think what you do is awesome. You should be very proud of yourself.
Oh,
good job.
Yeah, definitely, for sure. Yeah, I do really proud of my work, proud of my entity as well. But you absolutely spectacular. Honestly, spectacular, to be honest.
Spectacular.
Spectacular, yeah.